Hi everyone, I hope all of you are doing great. My name is Daulat Hussain. In this video, I will show you that how you can create multi-step form in your WordPress website or quiz form in your WordPress website. As we all know that if you are using Elementor page builder or any other page builder, they don't allow you to create multi-step form or a quiz form. If you want to do that, then you have to upgrade your account. But in this video, I will show you that how you can create quiz form or multi-step form for absolutely free by installing one plugin, and this plugin is very light and comes with a lot of customization. So as you can see that you are on my website and I have used this plugin on my own website. Let me show you how it looks. So this is, once you embed the plugin, this is how it's going to display. You can literally customize everything. You can able to customize this color, font and background color. You have full options, or even you can display the progress bar here. So they can simply check here, go to the next step, they can fill out the details, they go to the next step, they can select all these things. I have already checked this one, that's why it's already filled. They can go to the next step, and the best part of this plugin is that it's going to show you all the questions which they have marked. So here they have the summary of their questions, so you can hide them. You can click on this and will get hide, click on, and you can able to see that. So, and here you will get the option of buttons. So it's totally up to you that how many questions you want to ask, and you can literally redirect them wherever you want. Like if you want to redirect to your sales page or anywhere, you can do that. So you can simply provide the URL, they will click and they will go to that specific link. So now let me take you to the backend of my website and show you that how you can install the plugin, what is the name of the plugin, and how you can do the settings. So everything about this plugin. So here you are in the backend of the website. This is my demo website. So simply head towards plugins area and click on install plugin and click on add new, and here you have to search for the plugin. The plugin name is multi-step form, LTISTEP So this is the plugin which we have to install. So simply click on install now, click on activate. Once the plugin get activated, you can able to find that plugins right up here. So simply go to this add new, because we have to create the multi-step form from scratch. Here we are, and here we're going to design our multi-step form or quiz form. So first you have to give the step name. So it's already given there, step 1, and from here you can add the section, the question which you want to ask, whether you want to take the email or name. So first you have to give the title name, like I want to take the email, and from here you can add the, like, as you see, I have written the name email. So I will select email and I will give the name email, and I want to add one more section in the first step. So I will click on this add section and I want to take the name. So I will click this and I will add name and just mark this required, because these are the two things which I want to take. This is the first step. Now let's create the second step. So for creating the second step, all you have to do, click on this add step. So as you can see, this is add element and this one is add step. Again, you have to give the name of the step. So step step 2, and you can give the description and title, is totally up to you, but it's not mandatory, but step is mandatory. From here I'm going to ask them want, so it's totally up to you what you want to ask them. And from here you can pick whether you want to pick this one, and you can add multiple options, like A is just a demo purpose, and you can add B, you can add C, you can add D, so you can add as many as you want. And here you have to, and this one is optional. So but when you go with the emails or label or text one, that there you have to provide the label name, but when you are selecting this radio, this label is not mandatory, but I want to give that. So select SE, I just give the name hi. If you want to add one more sections, then you have to click on this, and I want to take this numerical, you have to provide the label name, let's give it, and provide this 2 and max 9. So this is what you can select, and this is the second step. Now let's move to the third step, because I want to add 3 step in my quiz form. So step step 3, then give whatever name you want, select the element, whether it's text field and or maybe it's a paragraph. It's totally up to you that what you want to take as for your campaign. So these are the 3 step I want to create. I don't want to create too much, So once you're done with that, just simply click on this save. But here I'm getting a warning. As you remember, I told you that you have to provide the label name. So let's see where I have missed that. Here I have missed. I have to give the label name, and I will click on save. And as you can see, the form is successfully created. And here you have to do some basic settings. So what do you want to do, whether you want to show them a message or whether you want to redirect them to any particular page. So for example, let's copy this URL because I want to redirect them to this URLs, and simply paste it here. And here you have to provide the email ID where you want to have the notification. So when someone fill out the quiz, you will get a mail. So for that you have to add the email ID. So, and it's optional, it's totally up to you. So make sure you fill out all these details, and once you're done with that, click on save. And it's saying that I have to add the subject name. So QUIZ quiz. So this is the title I have given. I will click on save. So successfully I have created the form. Now let's go to this form section, and here I have got the code. So simply copy this code. Let's come to the pages section, all pages, post, sorry. And here I have to create a post. So let's do it quickly. And I will give the name to, let's say, QUIZ quiz. I will save it, and I will go to this edit with Elementor. I'm just showing you that how it's work. You make sure that you design your website as per your website themes. So what I will do, I will select this portion because I want to display the code in my whole layout, and from here I'm going to search for short code. Short code, bring it, and I will leave it here, and here I will paste it. As you can see, I have got the forms which I have created. Let me cut this one, let me publish it, and let me show you that how it's look on my website. So as you can see, this is how the default thing is looking like. They can fill out their email, name, and they can go to the next section. It's saying required, so we have to enter the details name 92@.com, and here I have to give the name the click on the next step. As you can see, when we are coming to the next step, this is getting checked out. So we have to select here, we have to provide the value between the 9 and 3 and 9 which we have created. So I will provide 5, and then with this and this, enter this, and let's show. So whatever details we have fill out, that's displaying right up here. And as you remember that we have provided the URL where I want to redirect. So the moment I will click on submit, it will automatically redirect to that website, my home website. So as you can see, we got here. So let's come back. And I want to hide this one. If you want to customize the styling of this quiz form, you can do that as well. So let's come back here. Let's come and click on this settings, and you will come to here, and from here you have to have an option to do the changes in the styling. So go to this styling section, and here you have full control whether you want to show that this progress bar or not. So let me show you. I generally don't like to show that, and I would recommend you not to show that because it will take extra space in your quiz form. So let's come back to the page, and if I refresh, as you can see, the progress bar is not displaying here. Let's come back here, and I want to change the color. So for that I will go with black, and this green I will go black, and for the background I will keep it this, and for the button I will go black, and I will click on save. And I will come to my websites, and I will refresh, and here as you can see, it's black. So you have fully control on this quiz form. So just play around. There is a lot of options out there, so just play around. And this is how you can create multi-step form or a quiz form in your WordPress website. And this is one of the best plugin, and it's very light. It won't make your website slow. It's very light. I'm also using on my own website, so I just want you to give a try, test around it, play around with this plugin, and it will help you to save a couple of bucks. So this will save a lot of money for you, because if you're going to upgrade your account for having quiz feature, then you have to pay a very good amount of money. And if you want to take the plugin Quiz Thrive for having quiz feature, then you have to pay a very good amount of money. So I would recommend you to try with this free one. If you find that it's working perfect, then you can go with that. Otherwise, you can definitely try checking Elementor Pro or Quiz Thrive for adding quiz features functionality in your website. So do leave your thoughts in the comment section that what do you think about this video. If you want to know anything else about this plugin or any other plugins, do leave in the comment section. I would love to help you with that. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.